अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूँ माहिदा नईम विद चैप्टर 5 वैरायटी ऑफ लाइफ MCQs। Each question has 4 possible answer. Choose the correct answer and encircle it. Reshuffling of the heritable material can take place in viruses, although they do not contain any structure equivalent to the nucleus, cytoplasm, plasmid, ribosome. Correct answer is nucleus. A plant virus usually consists of an outer coat of protein and inner core of DNA, RNA, polysaccharide, chitin. The correct option is RNA. Which of the following characteristics of virus is not like that of living thing? Reproduction, presence of DNA, presence of RNA, crystal formation. Correct option is crystal formation. Reproduction in viruses can take place only when they are inside the body of man, bacterium, host, other viruses. The correct option is host. In the life cycle of bacteriophage, the host DNA is replicated, turned off by a protein coat, digested into its nucleotide, turned on by removal of protein coat. The correct option is digested into its nucleotides. In the lysogenic cycle, the DNA of bacteriophage joins the bacterial chromosome, attaches inner surface of the host membrane, is immediately degraded when it enters the host. The correct option is join bacterial chromosome. The fact that a virus can be transmitted from infected organism to healthy organism of the same kind was determined by Beetle and Tatum, Evanuski, John and Lederberg, W.M. Stanley. Correct option is Evanuski. Induction is a process in which a viral DNA enters into bacterial DNA. A viral DNA comes out of the bacterial DNA. A viral DNA destroyed the bacterial DNA. None of these. The correct option is a viral DNA comes out of the bacterial DNA. The enzyme involved in viral replication are synthesized on the viral ribosome, on the interior surface of viral membrane by the host cell. Correct option is by the host cell. The word virus is derived from a Latin word poison, venom, poisonous, very danger. Correct option is venom. What in 1915 and D. Halray in 1917 independent and by the pathogenic bacteria viruses virion bacteriophage. The correct option is bacteriophage. Inflammation of liver is called enteritis, hepatitis, tonsils, mumps. The correct option is hepatitis. Which of the following statement is correct about HIV? HIV is host specific. HIV is retrovirus. HIV infects T lymphocyte. All of the above. The correct option is all of the above. Which of the following statement is correct about HIV? Which of the following statement is correct about HIV? HIV is host specific. HIV is the retrovirus. HIV infects T lymphocyte. All of the above. The correct option is all of the above. Which of the following disease is caused by paramyoviruses? herpes simplex, mumps, measles, both B and C, both B and C. Icosahedral viruses have 10 faces, 20 faces, 50 faces, 100 faces. Correct option is 20 faces. Temperate phase may exist as prophage, capsid, viroid, retrovirus. The correct option is prophage. Phytogeny described as a species with morphological similarities with other species, evolutionary history, reproductive capabilities with other species, geographic distribution. The correct option is evolutionary history. Non-enveloped naked viruses are known as virions, bacteriophages, virion, capsid. The correct option is virion. A virion is a virus, viral DNA, viral lysosome, viral genome. The correct option is viral genome. An isolated virus is not considered as living since it separate into two parts, cannot metabolize, reproduce rapidly, loses its genome, is coated with an airtight shield. The correct option is cannot metabolize. Pigs are retrovirus of hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis D, hepatitis C. The correct option is hepatitis E. Which one of the one is not? Characteristics of virus is extremely small, infectious agent, lack metabolic machinery, obligate intracellular parasite, 10 to 100 times smaller than most bacteria. The correct option is obligate extracellular parasite. The capsid of herpes virus is made up of 126 capsomer, 162 capsomer, 225 capsomer, 252 capsomers. Hepatitis A is also known as infectious hepatitis, serum hepatitis, delta hepatitis, fetal hepatitis. Correct option is infectious hepatitis. Wheat maize is the biological name of wheat, corn, rice, oat. The correct option is corn. The hereditary material in viruses may be DNA, RNA, DNA or RNA, both DNA or RNA. DNA or RNA, which is not a disease caused by the virus. Polio, anthrax, measles, hepatitis. Correct option is anthrax. Temperate phase may exist as prophage, capsid, viroid, retrovirus. The correct option is prophage. In the binomial system of taxonomy developed during 18th century by Linnaeus, the first word of an organism name is Homo sapien is its species, genus, race, family. The correct option is genus. In the following kingdom system of classification developed by Robert Whittaker, member of the kingdom Plantae are autotrophic, eukaryotic, and multicellular, motile, either unicellular or multicellular, having such sexual reproduction. The correct option is multicellular. The common name of Allium cepa is Pyas, Bathu, Amalthas, Chana. Correct option is Pyas. Which one of the following is false about AIDS? HIV, autoimmune deficiency syndrome, T lymphocyte, HIV. HIV, correct option. Delta hepatitis is another name of hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis D. The correct option is hepatitis D. Capsid is made up of protein subunits called nucleotide, envelope, capsomer, none of the above. The correct option is capsomer.